Sit with legs crossed and place both hands on the floor beside you. Keep your spine tall and steady. Your body should look grounded, calm, and supported by the earth. Sit tall and place hands on your belly. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, and hold again softly. Your body should look peaceful and controlled. Sit with bent knees and gently rock your spine side to side. Keep shoulders relaxed. Your body should look loose and softly moving. Open your knees wide and curl your body forward. Rest your forehead on the floor. Your body should look safe, small, and comforted. Extend one leg forward and bring your forehead toward the knee. Keep your shoulders soft. Your body should look folded and quiet. On hands and knees, reach one arm under the body. Let your head rest on the floor. Your body should look gently twisted and relaxed. Slide your arms forward while lowering your chest toward the ground. Keep hips high. Your body should look open through the heart and soft in the shoulders. Sit on your knees and wrap your arms around yourself. Drop your chin slightly. Your body should look like it is giving itself a warm hug. Stand and roll your spine up slowly from bottom to top. Keep your head rising last. Your body should look tall, steady, and peaceful. Stand with feet hip width and fold your body down. Let your arms hang or hold your elbows. Your body should look heavy, still, and quiet. Around your chest while standing tall. Drop your shoulders. Your body should look held, gentle, and centered. Stand tall and sway your arms gently from side to side. Keep your breathing slow. Your body should look like a soft leaf floating in the wind. Step one foot forward and rest both hands on the knee. Keep your back leg strong. Your body should look calm, low, and steady. Straighten your front leg and place your hands on the shin. Lengthen your spine forward. Your body should look long, folded, and focused. on your heels and reach one arm overhead to the side. Keep the other hand on the floor. Your body should look like a gentle, curved shell. Sit tall and lower your ear gently toward one shoulder. Keep the opposite shoulder down. Your body should look soft and easy around the neck. Lie on your back and place one ankle over the opposite knee. Pull the legs gently toward you. Your body should look relaxed, open.